The Ride Shock's bump stops give your vehicle a smoother, more controlled approach to driving. From intense off-road conditions to your larger potholes, you will instantly feel the difference compared to your OEM setup. As you can see, the stock bump stops are barely compressing under 2,000 pounds of pressure. This means harsh and abrupt hits with little control. When we tested Ride Shock's bump stops under the same 2,000 pounds of pressure, you can see there is a nice progressive response, allowing for a smoother bottom out and more comfort. When you upgrade to our bump stop kit, it's so easy to install. It takes only a couple of minutes per side. First, you have to remove the factory rubber bump stop. Select the correct spacers for your specific suspension and tire fitment. Refer to the chart on our website. Then, bolt our bump stops into place. Then repeat this process on the other side. This is one of the easiest upgrades you can make for your vehicle. Make the upgrade today.